Are you having problems that your iPhone 15 is not charging even though it's plugged in? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had a lot of problems with this before, and this is how I fixed it. So basically, instead of using the per default like little charger that you get, I actually got my MacBook Pro charger instead. And then I just took the charging cable, this right here, as you can see, put it in there, and then the other side, obviously, I put it into my iPhone 15, and then I actually tried to charge it instead. Worked instantly. But I did some research, and of course this will not help everybody, because obviously not everybody has this type of charger even. And if you do, try it, because that actually automatically fixed it for me. If that is not the case for you, well, what you can also try to do is to wiggle the like the charging cable a little bit. So when you're actually going to charge your phone, it's not always going to work, because your cable there might be something wrong with your cable, something like stuck or whatever. Try to basically, when you're going to connect the charging cable, try to like wiggle it a little bit with the phone and see if there's any perfect place that it actually charged. So when it is in a perfect place, sometimes you're going to see that the charging cable just disappears, and it's just like the battery symbol, right? Like battery with a little bit red in the bottom. So if that happens, you are golden. So just wait for it to complete the charging process. And if that is not the case, it might be that the charging cable is really bad. Get a new one. Another thing that is even more scarier is that your battery on the phone is basically dead. And what you do in that case, you have to go to a store and replace the battery. Ask them if they can replace it. If they can, you probably have to pay like 50 to 100 bucks US dollars to be able to fix it, to be completely honest with you. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.